I will show you in this Hostinger website tutorial how you can add a cookie banner on website builder. So what you're gonna have to do here is to go here to general settings, and then here from here you have cookie banner, right? And you can edit this and add your message here. And the purpose of the cookie banner is to actually inform website visitors about the cookies used on your website. So just add a disclaimer here, and then first let's enable, and then what you need to do, if you have like different languages here, make sure you select the language, and then you go back here and add the language for your country. Now there is one, a default one, as you can see, but you can also add your own, right? Add your own message, your own disclaimer, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So also for a different language, apparently I have to activate it again, and then you can add save changes. I think also I didn't save it on the last one, on the other language. I don't think I actually have to do it for again. Yeah, you don't have to. If you enable here, you just need to change the message. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.